This home is located in the prestigious guard-gated community of Big Canyon in Newport Beach. Welcome to 10 Rue Valbonne. Come on in and take a look. This home is almost 4,000 square feet with 3 bedrooms and offers a spacious floor plan, beautiful natural light, and vaulted ceilings. The generous lot creates the perfect setting for indoor-outdoor living. This home sits on an expansive 8,000 square foot corner lot with a private pool, offering a rare amount of outdoor space in one of Newport's most sought-after neighborhoods. Whether you're enjoying the privacy of your backyard or swimming in the pool with your family and your furry friends,